Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving over Chalky Hill. Now Chalky Hill is in St. Ann and it's a very popular hill in Jamaica. Not as popular as say Mount Rossa or Spurtree Hill, but it is used a lot by trucks because basically when you're driving from Kingston to Ocherios and you're not taking the highway, you have to go through Fern Gully. But trucks are not allowed to go through Fern Gully because it will damage the plants that are in Fern Gully. So the trucks have to go take an alternate route, and the route that they usually take is going over Chalky Hill. That's where we're driving now. So when the trucks get to Monique, they have to turn left and head up to Claremont, and then from Claremont they head down to St. Ann, but they go through Chalky Hill and then Steertown and then get back on the Northern Coastal Highway out by Chucker Cove, or more specifically out by Draxall. In Draxall, where you have, I think it's an Epping gas station, that is where that road that you, when you go over Chalky Hill, that's where you come out. And the roads are average, they're narrow, but you have a very nice view when you're going over the hill. But because trucks have to take an alternate route, this is the route they usually take. And if you say you're going to Montego Bay, and you can take this route also because it saves you the time of going over to Ocherios and then coming back down through Draxall. Alright guys, so enjoy the tour as we drive over Chalky Hill.